Welcome to Brainwaves. Today we will expose the shocking truth about the food industry. Most of us never question the source of our food, but what if we told you that some of the food we eat may not be the healthiest for us? From genetically modified organisms to pesticides, we'll dig deep into the food industry and provide you with the truth. Are you ready? Let's get started. Genetically modified organisms, or GMOs, have been a topic of debate for years. They are created in a lab and genetically engineered to resist herbicides or pests. Although they have been dubbed as safe, research has shown that GMOs can lead to health issues such as allergies, inflammation, and even cancer. Despite countries such as Japan, Australia, and the European Union requiring GMOs to be labeled, the United States has yet to enforce such a law. With 92% of corn, 94% of soybeans, and 95% of sugar beets grown in the U.S. being genetically modified, it is important to know the effects GMOs can have on our health. Factory farming is a system of raising animals in confinement. These animals, such as chickens, pigs, and cows, live in crowded and unhealthy conditions. They are pumped with antibiotics to ward off diseases as hygiene in such conditions is substandard. The overuse of antibiotics on animals can lead to antibiotic resistance, which renders human antibiotics less effective. Additionally, the use of growth hormones on livestock can lead to a higher risk of cancer and other health problems. Not to mention the moral and ethical issues surrounding the treatment of these animals. As consumers, it's important to consider the source of our meat and how it was raised. Pesticides are chemicals used to kill pests on crops. They are toxic and have been linked to a wide array of health problems such as cancer, birth defects, and hormonal disruption. Residues from these chemicals can stay on our food even after being washed and can be harmful if consumed. Unfortunately, pesticide use is prevalent in the food industry, and the amount we're exposed to in our food may be more than we think. It's important to buy organic produce or to thoroughly wash fruits and vegetables before consuming them. Processed foods are everywhere, and they are not healthy for us. They often contain high amounts of sugar, salt, and unhealthy fats. They also have little to no nutritional value. The use of preservatives and additives make these foods last longer, providing convenience, but they can have detrimental health effects in the long term. Obesity, diabetes, and heart disease are just some of the health problems associated with consuming processed foods. It's crucial to read food labels and opt for whole foods whenever possible. The food industry is vast and provides us with the sustenance we need to live. Yet, it's important to know the facts about where our food comes from and how it affects our health. From genetically modified organisms to pesticides, factory farming, and processed foods, there are many issues we need to be aware of when making food choices. It's time to start advocating for a healthier food industry. Thank you for tuning in to Brainwaves. We hope you are taking away something meaningful from our videos. Until next time.